ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय श्लोका 9 यत्र भागवती वार्ता तत्र भक्त्यादिगं व्रजेत् कथा शब्दं समाकर्ण्य तत्त्रिकं तरुणायते यत्र भागवती वार्ता यत्र means how many Bhagavadi, Bhagavadam, Varta, the story with the recitation. Yatra Bhagavadi Varta. So, how much of the recitation of Bhagavadam happens? Tatra Bhaktyadigam Vrajet. Tatra, that much of Bhaktya Adhigam. Bhaktya means the devotion. Adhigam means in huge number. Vrajet will be there. That means Tatra Bhaktyadhigam Vrajet. The Bhakti Devi will be visiting the place with most blessing at the place where the Bhagavatam is being recited. Yatra Bhagavadi Varta Tatra Bhaktyadhikam Vrajet. So wherever there is a story of the recitation of Bhagavatam, the Bhakti Devi will be there at that place. Kadha Shabdam Samakarnya. Kadha Shabdam. Kadha means the story. Shabdam, the noise, the sound of the stories of Bhagavatam. Sama Akarnya. Sama means with. Akarnya means that whole place will be regenerated. Tatrigam Tarunayade. Tatrigam, that means three. Who are the triads? The Bhakti, Jnana and Vairagya. Tarunayade. The whole three will be so much of regenerated that the whole place will be blessed with all the sort of good and happiness. Positive vibes will be there where there is a recitation of Bhagavatam. Kada Shabdam Samakarnya Tatrigam Tarunayade. So, here in the words of the story of the Bhagavatam, the triads who are the Bhakti, Jnana and Vairagya gets regenerated. Yatra Bhagavadi Varta Tatra Bhaktyadikam Vrajet Kada Shabdam Samakarnya Tatrikam Taruna Yade. Wherever there is a recitation of the story of Bhagavada, Bhakti Devi along with her two sons, Jnana and Vairagya, attend to it, and hearing the words of story of Bhagavadam, the triad gets regenerated. यत्र भागवती वार्ता तत्र भक्त्यादिगं व्रजेत् कथा शब्दं समाकर्ण्य तत्त्रिकं तरुणायते. Thank you. ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय.